So this is a 1999 Toyota Sienna, and I'm doing the spark plugs, and I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to remove the manifold to do the spark plugs. So back here I have this wrench right on there. You really don't have to move anything. You just pull the plug, and then on this side you can get to them really easy. There's one there, and then the other one right there, and you can literally get your hand right in there. I mean, I have pretty big hands, so. But when you put these back on, make sure to push them down, because they'll feel like they're on there, but you have to push them extra. Basically, you put this down in there first, and then put that on and use it to get a better angle. Then I use this to go down in there and remove the plug if the spark plug socket doesn't work. That's just a magnet, flexible. So, yep, that's easy to get to. And then you can see I just have a short ratchet there, and it works really good. It just, the turn radius is a bit smaller, but it saves you money from buying a manifold gasket, and you know, it saves you time also. So yeah, it is possible. No matter what they say, there's always a way. That one wasn't too bad, but better to do them than be sorry. These are the plugs I used. Well, I really hope this video helped you, and I really hope it helped save you some time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.